Hey adventurers! The New England road trip train is still rolling, and this time we're knocking out 2 more charming states in one epic swoop.
Rhode Island and Connecticut. We've got cliff walks, spooky Halloween towns, historic jail cells, and a small town named after Adam. He's basically royalty now.
I always felt like New England noble. Now it's official. Long live Adamsville.
Get ready for stunning ocean views, fall fun, and a few jailbirds along the way.
As soon as we crossed into Rhode Island, I saw something magical. A sign for Adamsville. That's right. Apparently, I have my own village now.
And he hasn't let it go since. We stayed in another fun Airbnb. Seriously, New England has been delivering when it comes to cute and cozy.
One of the must-dos in Rhode Island, the legendary Newport Cliff Walk. 3.5 miles of ocean views, epic rock formation, and giant historic mansions that make you feel like you accidentally walked into a Downton Abbey spinoff.
These homes are insane. I mean, some people summered here, and we bring our own pillows when we travel.
The biggest showstopper, the Breakers, built in the 1890s by the Vanderbilt family. Yeah, those Vanderbilts. This place was just their son's summer home.
We were over here doing leaf throwing competitions while they're sipping tea under gold-plated ceilings.
Spoiler alert, we're better at catching history than we are at catching leaves.
Next stop, Connecticut. We found another super cute Airbnb. And made our way to the historic little town of Wethersfield.
The whole town was decked out for Halloween, like serious fall festive vibes. The girls were loving it. Every corner had another awesome lawn display, and we just had to stop for more photos. You know, we can't pass up Harry Potter or the Goonies. I mean, come on, you don't see that every day.
We grabbed lunch at the Old Town Cafe. Small town charm, big time delicious. Highly recommend.
We swung by the Keeney Memorial Building, home to the Wethersfield Museum, and it was full of cool old town artifacts,
including an old jail cell. Naturally, Adam and Eden took turns getting locked inside, and Kylie just stood outside laughing like a little villain. Then she posed for her own cute pic.
If I don't make it out, tell my village in Adamsville I said hi.
On the way out of Connecticut, we had one last stop, the Mark Twain House and Museum.
It was so cool to walk the grounds of the man behind Tom Sawyer, Huckleberry Finn, and so many more. Naturally, we took photos with the man himself. Well, bronze statue version. Still counts.
It's amazing how many little hidden gems you can find when you're road tripping through the New England area. So, let's sum it all up. We rolled into Adamsville like royalty, walked the cliffs of Newport like Gilded Age millionaires, got blown away by ocean views, failed at leaf throwing, got locked in a jail in Wethersfield, ate amazing food, went full Halloween in the cutest small town ever, and ended the trip with a literary selfie at the Mark Twain House.
New England is just full of surprises, and apparently many Adams scattered across the map.
If you loved this cozy, quirky, history-filled New England adventure, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss the next leg in our crazy journey.
We've got more states, more stories, and probably more rain in our future. Stay tuned.
Adventurepreneurs out.